Okay, I'm gonna keep on with it. So right here is your trash applet that I kind of made into a launcher thing or whatever it was. You saw in the last couple videos how I did this. But this applet doesn't respect the I guess the icon theme. So you have to do it manually. So you have to find the full trash can icon and the empty trash can icon. That's if you want to go that far to do it. So right click on it, go to modify this launcher, I believe it's called, or applet. Configure this applet. There it is. Now I believe you can choose a theme for it. So right here, like local default, which is like what the theme came with, which is on right now. Migo, so it does have some themes, icon themes for that trash can, but it doesn't have the one we're using. So now right here where it says name of image to overwrite, you know, when it's empty, like the you gotta find the image of an empty trash can. Okay, so I gotta find that right now. So open, it's in your file system, USR, share, SH, icons, Fenza, F. There it is. And I believe it's in your status. So categories, types, status. In your scalable. I think on the last video I called it Scrabble. Sorry about that. If you haven't noticed, I am dyslexic, so sorry. Open. Now let's go find that empty trash bin. So you gotta look for it. I think it's at the very bottom. I think. There it is. There's trash full. So what am I looking for? Empty? I'm looking for empty. Okay, well I found the full one. Let's go back. Now let's go to, that's the full, but I don't need the full right now. So it'll be under, I believe, places in scalable. Okay, so where's that trash? There's empty right here. Okay, so we found the empty. Now let's find the full again. Open. Back to your file system one more time. Oops. File system. User. US. Share. Icon. Okay. Fenza. Now it was in status. Scalable. And let's see if I can find it one more time. There it is, right there. Gnome stock trash full. Press OK. Now hit apply. Now it should have fixed it. Let's see. Let me just minimize this. And there it is. Now when you empty the trash, it'll look empty. So that's good. Now I got that out of the way. Now empathy. I don't even have that installed, so let me just get rid of that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of the applications I don't use, or I don't need it here. As you can see, the dock is shrinking, and if you're to add a ton of apps, the icons will get smaller. So let me just grab some stuff and just throw in there real quick. So I'm gonna grab let's see, what can I grab? Let's get Kdenlive. Most likely what I'm gonna do later on for myself, I'm gonna make a sub doc with my video editors. But for now, I'm just gonna, you know, throw a bunch of stuff in here just so you get the idea of how it looks when you overload the dock, when you just throw a bunch of stuff in there. Put Clementine. Just keep grabbing more stuff. Grab. Let's see. Ubuntu tweak. Grab that in there. System tools. Just put cheese webcam. Okay, little by little it's getting a little bit smaller, and you notice, let me zoom in right here, the angle of the dock that'll kind of prevent you sometimes from the dock, you know, actually getting wider to fill in the icons, to allowing the icons to fill. So to fix that, if you want to, right click on the dock again and go to configure, and where it goes to all, and I believe it's visibility. Where is it at? Is it visibility or is it appearance? Yeah, it's appearance. On background, has to be this one. Oh geez, let me pause it for a second. Okay, I found it. It's in views. Jeez. Alright. Okay, since I'm using the 3D the plane right here, the 3D incline, you can change the incline of the plane. Okay, so let me go like that. See how it has an angle way down here, like I mentioned before? You can change that. So let's raise it up just a bit. Hit apply. Now you notice how the angle of it changed. See? Now that's up to you if you want to do that or not. You know, it kind of ruins the look sometimes, but yeah, it's if you want to stuff more icons in there, or you can just make the icon smaller too. That's another way of doing it. So anyways, let me just hit apply. Okay, that looks good. I'm just later on, I'm not going to record myself doing this, but I'm just going to, you know, set the dock up like my personal applications, how I want it. You know, there's no need for me to record that, so I'm just going to do that later. But anyways, as far as the dock, it's pretty much done to the way I like it, more or less. On your desktop here, there's something that always bugs me, and that's the preferences menu. See how like it's really, you know, tall and crap? You can actually get rid of this if you like. Right click on your applications, hit edit menus. You can hear my dog snoring, sorry. Anyways, right here it says system. Click on control center. Now click on preferences. Basically you're unchecking that. Hit close. Now it's gone. See? Now you just have administration and no preferences. But it's in here in the control center. So this is pretty cool. So kind of like it puts everything in one little window. That's what I like about it. And you can drag it off and put in your dock. Like so. So I'm going to keep that there. Also, there's some other things I don't like. That it's a personal thing. Like the system tools, like this stuff. Like I don't really use that stuff too much, so there's no real need for me to have it there. And besides, I have a quick launcher, so if I need to get to it, I can just type the name of the program and get back to it. So I'm gonna remove these out of my menus. So right click again, edit menus. Now go to system tools, and here they are. Just click on, you know, uncheck the items you don't want, and whatever you do, don't delete them. Just uncheck them and close it, and now it's gone. So that kind of helps clean things up for me, at least. And that's about it for the dock. If I think of anything else, I'll make another video. I think after this I'll probably show like some good places to grab some wallpapers and stuff like that. And oh yeah, and your system sounds, that's another one I want to show you guys. Okay, well that's it. Well, thanks for watching.